In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins on Alph AI. Now, the first thing you need is an Alph AI account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 5% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Link down below. You will not regret it. So to actually trade meme coins on here, what you're going to have to do first after you actually connect to your Telegram and of course connect your account. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch my tutorial on that on my channel. You then have to go up here to of course, your wallet, and you want to click on deposit/withdraw. Then over here, you'll receive your receiving address. So of course, you can either scan this QR code on your screen, not mine. This is my address and my QR code. But of course, for you, it's going to be a different code. Scan your QR code, or of course, just use this address, and you can go ahead and transfer some BNB to your address. Okay, so from wherever you actually hold it, it may be like Phantom, Binance, Trust Wallet, or wherever you're holding it, just transfer it onto your account. After you do that, you'll then have some active balance up here, and then you can just go ahead and go to either meme, and then of course see the different memes, so the new creations, the almost graduated meme coins, and then the graduated meme coins. You'll be able to see all these over here, or you could go to trending and just basically go ahead and filter these by trending meme coins, or of course you could go to trade here and directly just search for the coins up here. Now let's say you actually find a meme coin you now want to trade. So for example, I'm just randomly going to click on a coin over here. So for example, let's just do this one, and let's say you found a coin you actually want to get into. Then what you have to do is here on the right hand side, you have the buy and sell button, and then you just have to basically select if you want to buy or sell, and then you can select a market or a limit order, and then you can also set a take profit or stop loss if you want to, and then you can just click on the buy button or the sell button over here, and that's pretty much how you actually trade meme coins on Alph AI. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.